Okay, and then you do need the line segment thing above there, okay? Look at the next one, NP. We're looking for something that is parallel to NP. So right here's NP. What is going to be parallel to NP? YX or what? XY. Okay, why does WX not work? Okay, so there's a WX on there, but WX is going, the one is like this way, WX is going this way. So they're not parallel, they would actually intersect. Okay. Number 5, MP. We need to find something that is parallel to MP. So this one is going like kind of up and down. Okay, which one is going to be parallel to MP? Huh? WV, perfect, or VW. Okay, bug, I see you. Okay, so again, we want something kind of going in the same direction, and so we can see here that these are parallel. They're never going to intersect with each other. Okay, look at 7, JI. Well, JI is this one. Okay, we need something that is parallel to JI. What segment is that going to be? MP. Okay, so MP is parallel to JI. Okay, or you could say PM. It doesn't matter. Okay, number 9, they gave us NP. Okay, NP is right here. Which one is parallel to NP? BC or CB? Okay, so again, we want something that's kind of going in that same direction. 11, we got X, Y. Okay, so XY. That's going to be this big one. Okay, so I need something that's going in that same direction. What is it going to be? XY. NP, okay, or PN. Okay, 13, I got DF. Okay, so DF, it's going to be this really big one. And I need something that is parallel to DF. MN or NM. Okay, so, and then the next section on here, because we have 2 sections today, they gave us one of the lengths and they want you to find the other length. Okay, so, it says find DE. Okay, so this is what we're trying to find, this length. Okay, this is what we know. We know that the bigger one, okay, is 10. Okay, because we also know, just from looking at this, that D is split right in the middle of XY. So if you look at XY, D is split right in the middle, and E is split right in the middle of WX. Meaning, although it may not look like perfectly half, this is perfectly half of this one. So if this one is 10 and this one is half, what does that one have to be? 5. Okay, so DE is 5. This one is 5. Okay, NL. Find NL. So is that the bigger one or the smaller one for 17? NL. It's the bigger one, which means that the 10, although it's kind of hard to tell where the 10 belongs to, that means that 10 is the smaller one. Okay, so if that one is 10, what is the bigger one? 20. Okay. Okay, 19. HJ. We're finding HJ. Is that a big or a small? Are we finding the bigger one or the smaller one? HJ. It is the bigger one. Okay, so if that one is 5, what does the bigger one have to be? 10. Okay, 21. Find JI. So is JI the bigger one or the smaller one? It's the smaller one. So if the bigger one's 8, then what is the smaller one? If the bigger one's 8, what's the smaller one? 4. Yep, half of 8. Okay, so essentially what we're doing is either dividing by 2 or timesing by 2 with whatever number is there. Okay, so 23, find HI. HI, is that the bigger one or the smaller one? HI is the bigger one. Okay, so if we're finding the bigger one, are you going to times or multiply by 2? Or, I said that messed up. Times 2 or divide by 2? We're going to times it by 2 because it's the bigger one. Okay, so if that one is 8, then what is the big one going to be? 16. Okay, 25. LJ. Is LJ the bigger one or the smaller one? It's the bigger one. Okay, so if the smaller one's 11, what's going to be the bigger one? 22. 11 times 2 is 22. Last one, UV. Is that the bigger one or the smaller one? It's the smaller one. So are we going to times by 2 or divide by 2? Divide by 2. Okay, if you're going smaller, you want to divide. So 16, what is half of 16? 8. Okay, or 16 divided by 2 is 8. Okay, you guys have 14 left to do. If you did not do your e-learning,